Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be reviewing some products from a black owned business. I'm going to be doing a lot of reviews on products from black owned businesses. But this product, well, this company, their name is KinKerKis. I really hope I pronounced it right. But today I'm going to be using their Black Girl Magic Coffee and Acne Scrub. I'm sorry, I said coffee and acne scrub. So it's a coffee scrub for acne. And the name of this scrub, I love the name, y'all. It's called Black Girl Magic. I've never ever used a coffee scrub before, so of course it's my first time. So when applying the product, of course you want to add a little water to the container, and a little does go a long way with this. Once you add the water to the container, it does loosen up the coffee scrub, and then you will just apply it to your face. So while I'm recording this video, I'm looking at their site, and I'm just going to read y'all some stuff that I see. So the ingredients in this is ground coffee beans, whole oats, coconut oil, honey, and sugar. This product is made to restore and reinvigorate your skin to black gold status. I like that, honey. Black gold status. So we're just gonna get, the melon popping and glowing. So yeah, once I added it on, I just, massaged it in just to exfoliate my face, and I did end up letting it sit. Once I rinsed it off, my face was so smooth, y'all. And so now I'm just gonna follow up with the let me tell you something whip butter. That's what it's called, but it's lemon tell you something whip butter. Okay, y'all, so the butter was just the icing on the cake, but let me read y'all the little sticker they have on the back of the jar. So it says, let me tell you something about being dry and ashy. Leaving your house, it ain't cute. Do better. Using our lemon tell you something is a step in the right direction. Due to the nature of product, scents may fade over time. Okay, y'all, so I give this product 10 stars. I'm gonna put this in my face routine and use it. So I hope you guys like this video. I'm gonna list the link to the store below. Be sure to follow them on Instagram and try out their products. Like I said, this is a black owned business, so help support your sisters, and I will talk to y'all later. Bye.